Hey everybody, it's Allie from the Alleyway Stamps. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I am going through a bunch of my stamps that I have still, and I'm going to be posting them for sale for just a really cheap price. I just want to get rid of everything I have. I also had a couple things that I found along the way. So they're like samples, so not necessarily like they have the sticker on them or anything, but I know there's quite a few of you that were looking for specific sets. I also posted this over at Facebook, so I will try my best to message you and let you guys know if I found the set that you have commented below about. One other thing is I was going to contemplate, and actually probably do, is put my designs out as a digital file. I'm wondering how many people would be interested in that, and if so, what sets you guys would be interested in. And then you guys could just have digital stamps to kind of create with and use as you want. I'm not getting back in the business of actually making more stamps out, but I wanted to be able to let you guys know that that's probably the route that I will be going, and putting them out there if there's enough interest and making them available to you guys. I know that I've had quite a few messages, especially just in the last few months, about people wanting certain sets, and I just don't have them. They just have sold out, but I do have the digital files. So if you're interested, let me know, comment below, and look in the next few days for stamps and digital stamps. Thanks.